Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by washing your hands and clearing a flat, low-dust surface. This reduces dust traps. Once done, open the phone fully and use the alcohol wipe, then the microfiber to remove fingerprints from both screens. Now, remove only the backing on the hinge side of the protector and hold the protector at edges. Align the hinge seam and camera cutouts carefully. Make sure you see even gaps along the frame, because proper alignment now prevents lift and misplacement later. You lower the protector slowly, keeping the hinge edge engaged and letting the rest fall into place. This prevents air pockets. As the film contacts the glass, use a squeegee or a firm card wrapped in microfiber to push bubbles outward. Apply steady pressure and move in straight strokes. If you find a stubborn dust speck, lift just that small section, use a dust sticker to remove the particle, and reseat the protector. This targeted approach avoids redoing the whole job and keeps the fold mechanism smooth. You press all edges firmly, especially near the hinge, to ensure the adhesive bonds evenly. If any tiny edges lift, press them down with a finger or the squeegee. Let the phone sit flat for 1 to 2 hours so the adhesive cures and conforms to the fold. If you discover a trapped dust particle after finishing, do a controlled edge lift with a dust sticker, remove the particle, and reseat. Avoid peeling the whole protector, because repeated reapplications weaken the adhesive and cause bubble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.